Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text to your videos on CapCut PC. So to do that, you're just going to first select a video, go to text and add in your default text. And you're just going to type in what you want to type here. You can also change the font here as well. And I'm just going to adjust the opacity on this a little bit. Wait, no, it's here. Then if you want to add like an animation to your text, just go to animation. You can also add in other effects as well. There's this one. You can also adjust the duration here. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!